issued it. Advisory one. I put on advisory.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
for
for
my take.
western Cook County and north central
What?
Texas, northeastern Jack County and north central Texas, Montague County and north central Texas, northern Wise County and north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 4 miles southwest of Nakota to Bowie to 18 miles west of Chico, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Forestburg and St. Joe around 8:50 p.m., Chico and Albert around 8:55 p.m., Bridgeport around 9 p.m., Munster around 9:05 p.m., Decatur around 9:15 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.